precise force control, high-speed and stable parallel electric gripper. Hitbot Z-EFG-20 adopts transmission design and drive algorithm compensation. It supports soft clamping. Repeatability 0.02 mm. Small in size, ideal for deployment in space-constrained environments where high precision is required. The shortest one-way motion time is only 0.45 seconds. Built-in controller, takes up little space, easy to integrate. Users can design fingers according to the items to be clamped. Total stroke 20 mm, finger inner distance 11 mm. The movement mode and stroke of the gripper are adjustable. Clamping force can be adjusted from 30 to 80 Newton. Supports on and pulse control. Supports multiple installation methods from different angles. Suitable for laboratory, 3C, medical, no air source, and space-constrained environments.